welcome back to my channel, guys. So this morning, guys, I went to my garden and I get some spinach. So I have some spinach here and I have some calaloo and some herbs. Cilantro, one of them. I'm not sure which one they are because I didn't tag them when I plant them. I also get some string bean, and so guys, today I'm gonna make some breakfast with my calaloo and my string bean and my spinach, guys. So guys, you know, this year my garden do well. You know, I get a lot of this is the third time I'm eating from my spinach and my calaloo garden and my string bean. I plant some pumpkin and some cucumber, guys, and